And welcome to Stardust's Creations. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a popsicle holder. All you need is towel, fabric, and some Velcro. So now I'm gonna cut a 5x5 square out of both of the fabrics. Once you have your 5x5 squares cut a little piece for the Velcro. So you can wrap around and connect it. I put it facing up and then the fabric facing down. Now you're going to sew all the way around. Leave a inch and a half gap so that you can turn it inside out. Okay, I have sewed all the way around. I have left about an inch gap. I'm going to cut the edges. Try not to cut your sewing job. And I'm going to turn it inside out, and then we're going to sew some of the Velcro on. Popsicle holder, right side out. I'm going to put the Velcro on right here, and then another piece right here. And then I'm going to sew, to close this, I'm going to sew all the way around the edge with a straight line. So, I've sewed all the way around it. I've put my Velcro here, and my Velcro right here. I'm going to clean it up by cutting all the strings off, but it should Velcro there. I'm going to cut the sides on this so that it cleans up too. The strings are all cut. Now it's ready for a popsicle. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. I'm sorry I'm a little choppy, getting new at this. Have a good day. Peace out.